Bonjour, my name is Gontran de Quillacq. I am the managing partner of Navesink International, and I'm an expert witness in the securities industry. I am also a structured product and an option trader. I am a quantitative researcher and a portfolio manager. I've selected portfolio managers, I've raised capital for portfolio managers, and I've been the CEO of hedge funds. I also provide financial training for the securities industry. This video is to explain what is an expert witness. So let's say that you need to have a knee surgery. You talk to and you select a surgeon, you book a slot at the hospital, you go to the hospital for your surgery, you come out, but unfortunately the days and the weeks pass by and your knee still hurts and you can't walk properly and your surgeon is not exactly forthcoming about why. So eventually you take a second opinion and that second doctor looks at your knee, looks at the MRI and tells you, well, sir, your knee has been cut like this, should have been cut like that, and unfortunately, that means you're never going to walk again. So what do you do when that happens to you? Well, if you can't walk, you can't work. If you can't work, you can't make a living. Looks like somebody has made a mistake. And weirdly enough, the surgeon and the hospital are not exactly returning your phone calls. So you're going to have to hire an attorney to bring that surgeon and that hospital to the negotiation table. Now, that attorney understands your case. He has knowledge of the law. He knows the responsibility of the hospital and the doctors. He can get you the damages, but he needs to demonstrate that effectively an error has been committed and the knee should have been cut like this, not like that. So he's going to have to hire another surgeon, somebody who is very senior, so typically a professor of surgery, somebody who can explain and communicate well what has happened, and someone who is experienced and accredited in the court system. Well, that second expert who can explain and who can testify in court is called an expert witness. Navesink International offers those expert witnessing services in the securities industry. Now, what is original is that if all the expert witnesses in the medical profession are themselves doctors and surgeons, in the financial industry, most experts are not doctor or surgeon. They are not industry practitioners. They are not industry experts. They are attorneys, compliance officers, academics, lifelong consultants, but they don't practice themselves in the financial industry. And unfortunately, in some cases, which are extremely technical, like options on quantitative investments or hedge funds, you need to have that experience to really understand what is happening. Well, Navesink International offers that expert witnesses services with that unique service quality. Because of my first life and our first life in the industry, we can handle the most technical, the most complex, the most challenging cases in our area of expertise. Thank you.